Welcome to AJ Ferrara and Brian Linton's final circuit project.
I'm Brian Linton.
I'm AJ Ferrara. So here we have our circuit, which we are attempting to have mimic destructive interference. Hence we have our speakers and our headphone jack. We have a sub-circuit over here, a couple of them, and then another sub-circuit over here, and Brian will go into them and explain how the concept of destructive interference works and how it is similar to noise-canceling headphones.
Okay, so first over here, behind our speaker, we have a high-pass filter, which is going to attenuate frequencies that are lower and allow higher frequencies to pass through. We then have a low-pass filter, which does just the opposite. It has more attenuation at higher frequencies, so lower frequencies are allowed to pass through. This is similar to a band-pass filter because only frequencies within a certain band will be able to pass through these two subcircuits. We then have a non-inverting op amp, which will add some gain to our signal. The gain here is going to be the ratio of R1 plus R2 over R2. And then on our other subcircuit, we have an active bandpass filter. This is also going to amplify our signal with a very similar gain to our non-inverting op amp. And this is also an inverting active bandpass filter, so it is going to create an output signal that is out of phase by about 180 degrees as the other side of the circuit. Now if you take a look at our waveforms, you can see that the blue waveform coming from the non-inverting op amp and the yellow waveform coming from the active bandpass filter are nearly 180 degrees out of phase. And the red waveform is the resulting waveform when you add the two channels together, and it shows a slightly destructed waveform, which is correct, as when you add these two channels, they will have smaller amplitude as they're out of phase. Now AJ is going to talk about adding sound to our circuit.
So, thanks, Brian. So we mentioned previously before that we were trying to mimic noise-canceling headphones. So what noise-canceling headphones do is they send out a wave 180 degrees incident, so completely opposite of the input wave, to use destructive interference to cancel them out. So this is what we're trying to do here. So it worked, as you saw on the waveforms, but now if we input a song, you hear the song coming out. And then in theory, if you put the speakers together, it should become quieter. So it's a little hard to hear with the ears, and I'd imagine over the video, but in theory you saw it should be working slightly dimmed down, and that is our circuit for destructive interference.
Thank you.